Okay, when the lawnmower won't start, or when it only runs for a moment when cold and then won't run again until you leave it for a long time, and then again it'll only run for a moment when cold. Seems like the problem is some jelly-like stuff in the carburetor float bowl. We'll take off the air cleaner and take off this plastic housing over the carburetor. And I think you might be able to get away with just removing the float bowl. The bolt on the bottom actually holds the float bowl onto the carburetor. This one is just a drain. So you could try just taking off this bolt, dropping the bowl, and cleaning it out and putting it back. What I've been doing is pulling the carburetor itself off and then cleaning the whole thing out with carb cleaner. This little arm can pry off this shaft with a screwdriver. Just pop it forward, and then these two control arms can be easily removed from this plastic doohickey once you have the carburetor out by rotating it. If you rotate the carburetor, then these metal shafts can easily come disengaged from this little black plastic doohickey. And there's the fuel line. You gotta take that out and hold it up somewhere so the fuel doesn't drain out. And then the whole carburetor just slides off, and take the bowl out and spray everything with carburetor cleaner, put it back together, start it first try.